Since the start of the premium trading signals group, we have had over 11 winning trades and over a 70% win rate. So if you want to join this group and learn more about trading crypto, make sure to check out the links down in the pinned comment for both the Telegram and the Discord group, where you can find more information on how to join the signals group. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video in which we're going to be talking about Solana and the Sol coin. Which there's quite a lot to talk about. First of all, technically we're at a crucial moment right now, which the price movement we'll get in the upcoming like 4 to 8 hours is really going to determine how we will move in the upcoming, well, at least the beginning of next week. But apart from that, Solana, the network behind the Sol coin, has been having some troubles. It has hard forked itself on accident. So basically the ledger changed for different validators. So two different kinds of the Solana blockchain were running at the same time, and they kind of forked away from each other. Which is, I mean, as most, or I'm not sure how many of you know that, but obviously Solana in 2022, especially the beginning of 22, had quite a lot of problems, and there were definitely talks about Solana just not being a good blockchain network. And during the latter part of 2022 and also the beginning of 2023, Solana has kind of solidified its position as a great network again. Total value locked is getting back to, you know, somewhat decent levels. It's not at where it once was. I mean, if you take a look at the last year for Solana, for example, you can see that the total value locked at some point was at 5 billion. But yeah, so this is the first time in quite some time that we have problems with the network already, and I don't think it's fixed. Oh, yes, it is fixed yet, excuse me. But yeah, I mean, you can see in for example, the daily active addresses and the daily transactions that it has been quite a shock. I mean, it's not, I don't think it will hurt the Solana ecosystem that much, to be quite honest with you. But perhaps if things like these could happen, it could have an effect. I mean, right now, in terms of the price, I don't think it has an effect. So let's talk about the price. As I said, crucial moment. And that is for the reason that right now, I mean, yesterday what we did is we broke down below this support level and just a strong level around 22.5. I think that's the best way to say it. And what we would want to do is we want to break above 22.5 to get back into this area. As you can see, between $25 and 22.5. It's been an area we've been in for the majority of the time over the last month and a little bit longer. But it's actually, I mean, even though we've consolidated there and we've not been that bullish because of that, it's a great level to be in, because if you're under there, if you're under 22.5, we're just, you know, not that far away from dropping down to $20, which is a strong support level, but I mean, you'd rather be higher, of course. So right now, the big thing is, and I wanted to zoom in for that, the big thing is that we have broken above 22.5. But it's an area, of course, and we have not broken above 22.85, which, as you can see, usually what happens is that the price spikes down to 22.5, but that the candles actually stay on top of like 22.8. So that brings us in a weird position where technically we had a bullish breakout, but it's not that confirmed yet. We actually need to break above 22.8. So what's going to happen with the next few candles is we're either going to drop down below 22.5. If that's the case, I think we'll take a break retest, and I think we'll continue our way down, at least down to 21.5 and 21.3. All right, from there we'll see again, because I'm expecting some big moves, and I just want to update you more frequently because of that. Or we're going to be able to find support at 22.5, confirming that this is a real bullish breakout, and we'll break above 22.8. If that's the case, we'll find resistance at 23.3, take a break retest, and continue our way up towards $24. That's really what I expect. So right now, I mean, that's why it's a crucial moment. If I would have to say which one is more likely, I would follow the trend, the short-term trend in the markets right now, which is fairly bearish, and say that we'll probably drop down below 22.5 and drop down towards 21.5 and 21.3. I'd say that's a little bit more likely, but to be honest, both scenarios are very realistic and almost equally likely, I'd say. So yeah, that's my take on Solana for this weekend and for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.